We got them.
Yep,
We got them. And they black.
We got the Seuquentials in, y'all. So, again, good morning. It's your boy Rose out back with another banger. He told me to grab the camera, so we about to start recording today. We got the Seuquentials.
Yeah.
So,
install day.
It's installation day. So, we got his bumper look like Frosty Snowman, but it's all good. So, we got the first one in. We just don't have it. Installed, plugged in yet. I'm a little sleepy, y'all. Like, literally, I just woke up a few minutes ago because he's like, come outside. We got a video. Bring the camera. I'm like, okay. It's always somebody calling me.
Man, every time.
Every time, bro.
Bring me back to this work. Hello.
Every time.
What's up?
Also recording?
Yeah.
What's good, my peoples?
Yeah.
I got the Dragon Ball Z today.
Whoa, he got the Dragon Ball with the Yeezys. We don't care. Kanye is not canceled on this page.
No.
Not at all.
But I don't fuck with him. He not canceled, but I don't fuck with him. He be saying some irrelevant.
You know what, D-Lo? We're sorry to hear that. we're so very sorry to hear that.
Cool.
But anyways, Kanye's that N-word. Because, you know, for the page. Yeah.
That look good.
Now push it.
It's hard.
Now,
That's hard, though. What y'all think?
Take your foot off. Push on it again.
Oh, it blinked. That's hard. That's hard. What y'all think? We should go Seuquentials? I know we should. I know we should. What is it? Oh my God.
Signed by the best.
We the best music. That is so overboard, bro. My car need a wash, y'all. She needs a wash, but it's supposed to snow like literally today, so
Yeah, that's why I ain't washing mine. That's the only reason why I ain't washing mine.
we might. I don't know. Y'all think we should do donuts in the snow this year again?
For sure.
We should.
Oh, that's the only reason why she out.
Do donuts in the snow later on today, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I think we should do donuts.
I think we should.
So we got the other flipped out, and yeah. So out with the old, in with the news.
You feel me? You feel me?
I gotta order me some, so just stay tuned because she gonna be hard when we get done. It's the thing about having big, like skinny fingers. I can reach wherever I please. Hold on.
Here, bro.
Okay.
You got it?
Hold up. I think I got it. Yeah.
Pull.
I got it. With the finger strength. With the finger strength.
Freak ass nigga.
Finger strength, something serious. The finger strength, something serious. You heard me.
I bet. This man.
Now let's see the result of both of them being in. Okay.
Something ain't right.
Something ain't right.
Something ain't right.
Something ain't right. There we go. Ooh. Y'all like that, don't you? I think it needs to go on the. I think it needs to go on the back of my Q50. What you think? What y'all think? We take Loud Cruise and put it on the back of two exotics. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah. Going crazy. I like the little flicker dancing.
Right.
That's for like 93.
Mommy mess because it ain't that cold out here. And if it was like 20 degrees out here, yeah. Shit. Wow, man. It's like a storm before it's calm.
Oh God. We know
That's why her name's Storm.
that's why her name's Storm.
That's why her name is Storm.
We know it's gonna snow today, Storm.
Yeah, we gonna put your snow mode today, baby.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that, exotic team?
Put her in snow mode.
What's coming today?
Snow mode exotic family. Gonna be doing some donuts at the Q50. You know what I'm saying?
In the big Q50, the big 3.7. Naturally aspirated.
It is so cold, y'all. Like, it ain't even reached the. It's still like 40 something. It's 48 degrees, and I'm saying it's cold. It's supposed to get like 5, 7 tonight.
7. Look, I'm gonna be in the house, snuggled up.
In the house,
water covered. Listen, and some hot chocolate if you caught me on the right night.
Alright, so now we are en route with Loud Crew. I was gonna call that man Little Larry. Yeah, we're on the way to Waffle House right now. Go get my little sister some food. So gotta handle that real quick. My nose is probably running because it's cold outside. It's like real cold. But yeah, so I'm ready for the holidays. What about y'all? I'm ready for holidays. I do know I need my little present to come in the mail for the little special, you know what I'm saying? She sounds so good, y'all. Yo, she sounds like. Oh my goodness. Jesus, yo. Y'all hear Loud Crew? Yo, these fans sound so good. They look good. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. Y'all, so I need the Seuquentials. Yeah, that's about it. Look at them. Things look good, boy. Yeah, she sound good, don't she? Yo, if y'all think this is something, when we just have Infinitis, like, wait until we have our first pair of exotics on this channel. Like, it is going to be absolute mayhem, y'all. I cannot tell you enough. I cannot. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be absolute mayhem when we get our first exotics to the channel. It's gonna go absolutely crazy. Yeah, I think we're gonna do another launch control here in a second. I just wanna see what she gonna do. Oh my goodness, bro. Y'all, I can just only imagine this car when I get it tuned and everything. Like when I get the full exhaust, rims, tune, like everything. I can only imagine what the car is gonna. Ooh, he is flying. Oh my goodness, he was flying. But I can only imagine what it's gonna be like, y'all. We got the food. What you get, bro?
I got an all-star meal.
Yeah, all-star. This man being fat got an all-star meal and stuff.
I had to get chocolate waffle.
This ain't even my food. Well, let's go ahead and get back on the road. That was fast. I know today is probably a really short video. I'm sorry we've been coming with these short videos, y'all. It's just ain't nothing been really going on. So, I mean, ooh, don't hit the back of Loud Crew. Yeah, it's been a lot going on, but not too much going on, if that makes sense. I'm gonna roll that up. Oh Lord, don't do it. Yeah, y'all, so y'all just make sure y'all be staying tuned for these videos, man. Sorry for the short videos all the time, but I mean, yeah, so sorry for the late videos, like I said, but it's more to come. So if you did like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this channel, man. And I'll see you on the next one to another video. And peace out, we love you.